Welcome to Reviewsinsidetv. Today, we're checking out a compact yet powerful cleaning tool that promises to help you handle everything from small messes to more substantial debris, the CRAFTSMAN V20 Cordless Hand Vacuum. This vacuum is designed to tackle tough jobs with ease, featuring a robust 45 CFM airflow and a two-stage filtration system. But what does that mean for you when it comes to real-world cleaning? Let's dive into the details. The CRAFTSMAN V20 hand vacuum brings some impressive specifications to the table. With a 45 CFM suction power, this cordless model is all about giving you a significant boost when picking up both large debris and smaller particles. Whether you're dealing with a few crumbs on the kitchen counter or more stubborn bits of dirt on your floors, it's designed to handle it all. The two-stage filtration system ensures that suction power stays strong even as the dust bowl fills up. For users with allergy concerns or who want a vacuum that doesn't lose its edge during extended cleaning sessions, this feature is key. This vacuum isn't just about raw suction power. It also excels in practicality with its large dust bowl, which means you won't be stopping every few minutes to empty it. This is especially useful for quick cleanse or larger messes. The onboard storage for the crevice tool is a handy addition too, making it easy to reach narrow spots like between couch cushions or in tight corners without needing to grab an extra tool from elsewhere. The 50% more suction power claim is worth highlighting. It's not just marketing fluff. The extra power really makes a difference when you're trying to clean up a variety of debris types, from dust to pet hair, on multiple surfaces. And while it's small in size, this hand vacuum doesn't sacrifice strength for portability, which is an essential balance that many vacuums in this category struggle with. In terms of performance across various surfaces, the CRAFTSMAN V20 does a solid job. On carpets, it picks up dirt and debris without skipping a beat. On hard floors, it shines by quickly gathering particles without scattering them around. But let's be real, the true test often comes with cleaning embedded dirt, pet hair, or dust in those hard-to-reach areas. Here, the crevice tool truly helps, reaching spaces under furniture or along baseboards with ease. Speaking of real-world use, this vacuum's weight and ergonomics make it comfortable to use for extended periods. It's not too heavy, and with its cordless design, there are no awkward cords to maneuver around. The large dust bowl does a great job of reducing interruptions, and the two-stage filtration system ensures the vacuum maintains its suction as it fills. While this is a cordless model, its battery life holds up reasonably well, though it's not the longest-running device out there. Expect to get a solid performance for moderate cleanups, but heavy-duty tasks might need a recharge along the way. Now, there are some areas that might not meet everyone's needs. While it's great for most surfaces, this vacuum might struggle a bit with high-pile carpets or deeply embedded dirt. The suction is great for everyday messes, but for the most challenging dirt, especially in those deep-set fibers, you might want a more powerful alternative. Also, the runtime, while sufficient for light cleaning, won't last as long as some higher-end cordless models that are designed for more intensive use. As for noise levels, the CRAFTSMAN V20 operates with a decent amount of sound, but it's not overly loud compared to similar models. It's loud enough to remind you that it's doing work, but not so noisy that you'll want to wear earplugs while using it. It's an acceptable balance for the suction power it offers. Looking at the value for money, this hand vacuum hits a sweet spot. Its price is competitive, especially considering the additional suction power and thoughtful design features like the large dust bowl and crevice tool. If you're after a reliable, compact, and cordless option for quick cleanups or smaller messes, this vacuum is a solid choice. However, if you need something that can handle heavy-duty tasks on high-pile carpets or needs to go for longer periods without charging, you might want to consider other models that are a little more expensive but offer superior performance. When compared to other similar hand vacuums, the CRAFTSMAN V20 holds up well in terms of power and usability. Competitors might offer longer battery life or more specialized features like wet-dry functionality, but for its price point, this vacuum strikes a good balance of affordability and performance. It outshines some models that might be priced slightly lower, but lack the two-stage filtration and extra suction power. Build quality is solid for a hand vacuum. The materials feel durable without being overly heavy, and the dust bowl is easy to empty and dry, reducing maintenance headaches. The crevice tool snaps into place securely, and the vacuum feels like it's made to last, with parts that won't easily break down. For regular users, maintenance is fairly straightforward, with minimal issues when cleaning the filters or brush roll. As long as it's properly maintained, this vacuum should continue to perform well over time. If you've ever needed to reach out to customer support, you'll find that Craftsman's team has a good reputation for being responsive and helpful. They've built a solid foundation for customer service, though. As with any product, it's always best to keep the warranty in mind just in case you run into any issues down the line. Overall, the CRAFTSMAN V20 Cordless Hand Vacuum is a solid option for those looking for a compact, easy-to-use, and powerful hand vacuum. Its 45 CFM suction power is no joke, and it's particularly great for everyday messes on a variety of surfaces. It's most suitable for individuals in smaller living spaces, those with moderate cleaning needs, or anyone who requires a vacuum that's lightweight yet capable. While it might not handle deep embedded dirt in heavy carpets as well as some pricier models, it definitely stands out for its affordability and performance balance. Thanks for watching. If you want to get your hands on the CRAFTSMAN V20 Cordless Hand Vacuum, check out the link in the comments box below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with more reviews. Feel free to drop any questions or share your own experience with this vacuum in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. Goodbye till next time, and remember, a clean space is a happy space.